Good morning. So it's Friday, which we all love. We all love a Friday. So we are laying today. However, storm EOWYN is here. So it rained last night. Today's just windy, sunny, but you know there's just going to be dust and cement and whatever just flying about everywhere. So, and I warn you, the mic might be a bit windy. So, but we'll see. We'll see how we get on. But yeah, full day today. Let's get some paving down. Oh, on the news, on the stats. So we are now down to 61% of you that are watching are subscribed. So if you'd like to hit the subscribe button. Like I always say, we'll pay you back even by getting new equipment and new ideas on filming and stuff like that. So give us a follow, give us a sub, and I will see you in the back garden. Yeah. So we're cracking on with bottom area. Yesterday we did half a day, as you saw in another video. Just did that row, and the rain was just coming. Don't know why that mixer's just stopped. Anyway, the rain will just come in, so we're cracking on with these down here. And then as I'm mixing, bringing flags in, it's gonna get on with cuts. Like up there, we left the cuts until the day after, and it just makes a chuffing mess. So we're gonna do them as we go. But yeah, it's just this wind, bloody mental. It's not mental. It's probably worse up north, but in Leeds, yeah, it's a bit windy. Door looks up, swept away, honestly. Filling up again, filling bucket up again. Tom's working tomorrow, so I've been getting all the flags down the bottom, all the sand in, and then he doesn't need to bring the van. So he's off away on Monday. I can step on the night, can't I? But yeah, I have been swept, blown apart today. Bloody nightmare. At least I had no rain. Saw blue skies. It's nice. Just windy. Don't know what recording's going to be like I say. It's just probably just air wind all the time. I don't know. But yeah, just filling this up. And then Tom's just laying the last flag. We're going to get a few more flags round, and then I'll give you a quick walkthrough of what we've done this week. So we're done. Looks good that now. This area feels done. Probably got another 3 rows, I think, and then it starts all getting cuts all down this side because it's a triangle over here. Let's have a look at it from this side. Sorry about the wind. But yeah, you can see out fences pulling in, so he's probably going to get up to this wheelbarrow tomorrow and come and do this where I'm stood now. But yeah, it feels good, this area now. So I've jumped in the van. Honestly, it was getting windy then, so I thought I'll come in here where it's a bit quieter. So what a bonus this week's been. On Wednesdays, maybe it's Tuesday's video, one of them, don't know. I was saying all I want this week is that bottom area to be ready and be stoned up, because Tom's off to Prague on Monday, so I want all the flags down there, all the sand in the garden, all cement, and I had to do no, I just, everything were around me. And now we've got like just under half at patio laid because this storm is here. It was supposed to be wanging it down all day. We just want coming in today, but blue skies. What more do you want? So yeah, so I've done a live today, chatting to someone on there. Thank you very much for being interactive on it. But I'm going to do more of them. Not every day. I probably do it at lunchtime as well. If I have an early lunch, which I normally have at lunch at 11:30, if I do a live from 12 till 1, something like that, and then everyone's on the lunch flicking on the phones and whatnot. So, but yeah, what a good week. Apart from Tom has had a stinker. He has laid more than he's put down. He's picked it up. He's put the gobbo down, put the flag in, 2 taps, poof, too low. Picked it up, put a bit of gobbo in, too high. You know, and he just messed about, just wasn't getting into the flow of it. But it's the worst thing. And then all you're doing is you're negative against it. So you go in and next one, yeah, that's fine. Next one after that, crap. Next one's fine, next one's crap. So we went live, like I say, and he laid probably 10 flags. Perfect every time. So I've just got to point camera at him. That's what I've got to do. Be faster. But yeah, he's smashed a flag. He's thrown a hammer. He's lifted about 10 flags. 7 flags yesterday. 10 flags today. I'm only joking. I don't know how many he's done, to be honest. But yeah, all good. And I'm super happy with this week. So thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you on Monday.